So for this exercise, we're going to look at section 1.1, exercise number 8. And it says, find the general solution to the equation u sub xt plus 3 u sub x equal to 1. Hint, let v equal to u sub x and solve the resulting equation for the v, then find u. So we have the equation u sub xt plus 3 u sub x is equal to 1. And they give us a hint that we can let v equal to u sub x and then find u. So again, we have u sub xt plus 3 u sub x equal to 1. We can rewrite this as, with terms of v, we can say that that's v sub t plus 3v equal to 1. We can further write that as partial v partial t plus 3v equal to 1. Well, this looks like an ordinary ODE. We're going to say that this is equation 1. And in an ordinary ODE, we can solve this by finding the integrating factor, mu. And we can say let p of x equal to 3. So this value, that's where p of x would be in the ODE. And so mu then is equal to e raised to the 3 dt. And when we integrate that, we end up with e to the 3t. Now we multiply the original equation, we multiply 1 by mu, and or the integrating factor, which is the second equation. And we end up with an equation like this: e to the 3t partial v partial t plus 3e to the 3t v equal to 1 times e to the 3t. Well, recall that the product rule is really just fg prime, whole thing primed, is equal to fg prime plus f prime g, right? Well, that looks familiar, so we can rewrite this then. This is essentially the same as saying e to the 3t v primes is this. And so that is then just equal to e to the 3t. Now we can integrate this with respect to dt to get rid of the derivative, and we end up with e to the 3t v is equal to e to the 3t all over 1/3 plus phi of x. Because recall that v is actually a function of x and t. And so when we integrate with partial derivatives, so this is really a partial t, then, and we integrate with partials with respect to one variable, it ends up being a function of the other variable. So now we have something that looks closer to where we're getting to the solution. So we end up with, we can now divide the e to the 3t across the whole thing, and we end up with e to the 3t over e to the 3t times 3 plus phi of x e to the minus 3t. And then we can rewrite this a little bit more cleanly, and we end up with phi of x e to the minus 3t. So, but recall that v is actually u sub x. So u sub x is really 1/3 plus phi of x e to the minus 3t. Well, this is really just partial u partial x, right? Let's move, now we can move this partial x to the other side. So we end up with partial u is equal to 1/3 plus phi of x e to the minus 3t partial of x. We integrate both sides, and we end up with the solution for u of xt is equal to x over 3 plus phi of x e to the minus 3t plus psi of t. Because when you integrate with respect to x, or the partial derivatives, these partials actually end up with an arbitrary function in PDEs. So this is our solution, and more cleanly, I'll rewrite this as our solution is u of xt is equal to x over 3 plus phi of x e to the minus 3t plus psi of t. And that is the solution to exercise 8.